damn it. Anyway, if what I'm doing here is still not obvious to you, then I want you to...
Get the fuck out of my room! I'm playing Minecraft!
I want you to look at this guy over here, and just a little heads up, that guy's actually me, which means I'm not an actual stick, which means I fooled you.
Got him!
So notice that whenever I open my palm, the dinosaur jumps. Wow, how did I do this? I ain't gonna tell you, bro. Like, I did that once and my audience retention rate go... So I chose to play around Subway Surfer with the software that I developed because it's a relatively simple game. I mean, all you really have to... Yeah.
It's not that simple.
Well, I take that back, so... As they say, the second try is always the charm. I don't even know if that's an actual code. Second try is the charm, but... Well, as you can see, I'm doing pretty bad, so... Fuck this shit. Let's just go to another game. So what I did was I used it with VLC Media Player. So now when I watch videos or when I watch movies, I don't actually have to touch the keyboard or the mouse to do anything. If I wanted to fast forward, I could just point right. If I wanted to go back, I could just point left. And if I wanted to increase the volume, I could just point up. And decrease, I'll just point down. If I wanted to pause it, I'll just show my palm once. And obviously what I'm saying right now is not in sync with the video, so you could just check it out for yourself. Just maybe replay this part or something. What movie this thing is, what movie am I watching right now, I'm not gonna tell you. I mean, actually, it's Good Doctor, but where did I get this from? It's a secret, bro.
What would you like to open, you lazy fuck? Reddit. Opening Reddit.
Okay, on to the moment you guys have been waiting for, and if you're still here, well then God bless your soul. I'm gonna share with you the steps that I took to build this entire thing, so you could build it yourself too. I mean, if you want to. If not, then you can just check the GitHub link in the description down below, and yeah. So first, what I did was I collected a dataset of 20,000 images, and so these images contained hand gestures that I did myself and I took myself. And so I then constructed a CNN model with the use of Keras and then trained that model on the dataset that I assembled. I just made it up. I then integrated the model with PyAuto GUI so I could use the program to execute keyboard functions and commands. And we are done. Now, I'm not really sure if it's worth making an in-depth tutorial about this, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below and maybe I'll consider. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and see you soon. God damn it.